JoyStone 4K HD FPV camera drone for adults, kids, brushless motor, foldable RC drones with altitude hold, headless mode, toys gifts RC quadcopter for boys, girls with 2 batteries. Product details. JoyStone RC drone with 4K camera suits adults and kids. In addition, the Wi-Fi FPV real-time image transmission system allows you to view real-time images and videos directly on your mobile device. Its 4K camera adjusts 90 degrees, capturing great footage. With brushless motors, it flies stably and quietly. Colorful LED lights help in the dark. It has headless mode, obstacle avoidance, 3D flips. The drone comes equipped with an Optical Flow Position feature, which enables the drone to maintain its position and altitude more accurately, especially in environments where GPS signals are weak or unavailable. 3-speed, low speed, medium speed, high speed is adjustable. 2 batteries offer 35+ minutes flight time. Foldable design makes it portable. A perfect gift for beginners. 4K HD auto-adjustable camera, equipped with a 4K HD camera featuring 90 degrees electric adjustment for versatile angles. Perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. Colorful LED lighting drone. Foldable drone is equipped with advanced aesthetic LED lights, which increases the visual attraction of the flight and makes it easier to identify in the dark. Multiple stunning functions. Brushless motor drone supports headless mode, intelligent obstacle avoidance, speed adjustment, 3D flips, gravity sensor, trajectory flight, and optical flow positioning to help you practice the drone control skill, so you can quickly master the function and experience the excitement and fun of flight. More exciting can be achieved in the app. Powerful brushless motor. Equipped with brushless motors, more stable and virtually noiseless flights than brushed models. Experience the thrill of soaring through the skies without the distractions of motor noise, all while benefiting from extended motor lifespan and minimal maintenance. 30+ minutes flight time. The 2 powerful modular battery supports 30+ minutes of flight. It takes only 1 hour to fully charge, keeping you ready for action. The drone's foldable design and included storage case make it highly portable and perfect for outdoor adventures. Best gifts for beginners. Perfect for beginner adults, this beginner drone, whether it's party, school, fishing,